Open your eyes. Suppose a good feeling coming towards you. You are feeling very good, very nice, very pleasure. And all the positive energy coming towards you. ऐसा होता है कभी कभी, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है, सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है, ऐसा होता है. It's a positive energy coming towards you. You have no complaint in your life. You wake up from the bed, suppose get a phone call, and from that end you get a good news. That's also related to your life. एक्सीलेंट हो रहा है, सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया हो रहा है. अगर ये पूरा दिन चले तो कैसा होता, अगर ये पूरा महीना चले तो कैसा होता, अगर इट विल लास्ट फॉर year after year and year, you have no complaint, you are the happiest person in the world and you are feeling very good from inside, your mood is always on, always good, your positive mood always on. कैसा होता अगर ऐसा होता तो? Yes, ये भी हो सकता है. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Everything is possible in the world. Yes, friends, I'm David Chakraborty telling you very frankly, today I just going to explain all details about this, how you can maintain all such things and how you can get all some such pleasure in your total life. I'll get some tips over it. Okay, before than that, I'm telling you very frankly, see the full video, because when you are wasting so many times, you are spending so many times everywhere, which is completely wastage. Okay, if you spending your time in a video, you are not spending here, you are investing your time over here, because if you invest then you'll get the return. No, you are investing your time. That's why I definitely give you the return, the pleasure of your life. Before starting the video, I'm telling you, hearing you a small story and the small video. You just stay with me up to last. Then you get the definite pleasure takes in your life. One day, a group of friends went to a hill station. That is a lovely place. That is really a lovely place. And they are spending their time in the evening in the rooftop restaurant. Okay, the full open restaurant. And they can see the clear view of the hill from there, and the weather is so cool, and the cold wind blowing towards them, and they are feeling very nice over there, and the cloud that coming towards them suddenly, occasionally coming towards them, and they are feeling very happy indeed from inside, and the beautiful melody coming from the restaurant. They are really feeling very good, very pleasure, and the group of friends, they are gossiping and they are enjoying. Some of them are enjoying having a cup of tea, and some are having a cup of wonderful coffee and some snacks like samosa. Yeah, excellent weather, and they are enjoying too much over there. Suppose their mood is too good, they are really enjoying the place. Suppose one of the friends get a phone call from the other end and have got the news that their result already been declared, and that particular friend who has got the call has failed in one subject. In his mind, the total environment become changed. The positive environment become changed to 180 degree. That no cold wind he can fails. Nothing tasty samosa is going inside of him. The tea become bitter in taste. He is very much upset indeed. Really, he is become very much upset. Everything became changed. So his mood is off. No, friend. This is the main thing of today, what I'm going to say. Never off your mood. How you make your mood sustain or remain positive everywhere. Mind it, for the successful people, there is two keywords. One is they are very much cool, they are always calm and quiet, and second thing, they are always smiling. You have no right to destroy the environment when you heard the personal call from another end. A call doesn't make any sense of your life. A piece of paper does not decide your life, isn't it? So why worry? Why worry? You haven't to worry about anything about this. How to refresh your mind and mood. I'm telling you frankly, just when you get this type of mood, you are spending so beautiful time with your friends, but suppose you have due to some causes, you just upset, just leave the place and go to washroom. Splash the water on your face and put some water on the epidermis. Take 3 times, breathe, smell and breathe inside and breathe outside. Breathe in and breathe out. Deep breathe in and breathe out 3 times. And put your hand over here. Yes, you are the winner. You can do it. Nothing will happen in your life if you are upset. Okay, you can solve the matter just now. You are staying in the hill station, you can solve the matter just now. When you go back, then you can find out what is happening over there. You attend the examination and you tried your level best. But result is not in your hand. Maybe it is positive or negative, nothing will be happened with this. There are so many positive people and there are so many successful people. They have failed so many times in their life. It's not a big deal. So why your problem? If you are successful, then your characteristics depends on 2 parts. One is you should be cool. Second one, you should be smile. So if you are upset, then you are not successful. So you have to just gain that energy from your inner soul. Gain that energy. How do you gain the energy? You think yourself the good position. When you spending your good time, you just recall that time and finally you just stand in front of a mirror and smile and say, yes, I am the winner. I born to win. And come back to the restaurant and take a glass of chilled water, then you become cool and come back to the fresh mood. You just apply it, you just get the result. It's not a big deal for anyone. You can do it. So friends, I'm telling you very frankly, when you feel upset, definitely you just go through this matter, go through this way. Definitely you get cool and come back to your original mood. Love you all and God bless you. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you a lot. If you like my video, definitely subscribe me, like me and share this video. I'll come back again. Love you. And if you have any comment, please write down in the comment box. Love you. Thank you a lot.